Alright, so our next speaker is none other than Rivana. Give a big hand for Rivana.
Thank you, ma'am. Dear friends and my honorable teacher, good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon.
How are you all?
We're fine. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Now ask me some question.
What does your name mean and do you like it?
My name is Rivana Yasin and I like my name. Rivana sounds beautiful name and Yasin is holy name from Quran and it's both reflects modernity and tradition.
Can you tell us about your family?
Yes, there are 3 members in my family, my mom, dad and me. My mom loves me so much. She teaches me about life lessons.
Where are you from?
I'm from Dhaka. Dhaka is cosmopolitan city in Bangladesh and it's well known for its mosque.
What's your favorite thing about your city?
My favorite thing about my city is its well-known restaurants and beautiful sights.
What's your favorite family tradition?
Our favorite family tradition is we celebrate it together, wear new clothes and visit relatives' house. And the food, especially biryani and sweets, highlight the day.
How do you spend your weekdays?
I spend my weekends with my family, sometime with my friends. Whenever I'm with my family, I just visit relatives' house, and whenever I'm with my friends, I just roam around with them.
What's your usually breakfast like?
My usual breakfast is bread with butter and glass of milk. I eat paratha sometime, and my mom cooks very delicious paratha.
Do you prefer mornings or evenings?
I prefer both morning and evening. In the morning, we can get sweet sunlight. It gives us vitamin D. And the sweet sunlight looking so amazing in the morning. And in the evening, it's the perfect time to relax. And we also can watch the sunset too.
How do you usually stay active?
I stay active by walking. Walking has so many benefits, including weight management, reduce stress, improve sleep, improve health, and so on. It's helped me all the way, especially weight management. So it's become my favorite activity.
What do you do before going to bed?
Before going to bed, I complete my regular work. Then I take a warm bath, keeping my room cool, and it helps me to get relaxed. Avoiding screen within an hour, it helps me to get a sound nap.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is cooking and dancing. A hobby means activity that we can enjoy doing in our spare time. And cooking is an art. Dance also is an art. It's a form of physical exercise, moving the body in a rhythmic way and express the emotion.
Do you enjoy music?
Yes, I do. I love listening to music. It helps me to get relaxed and put me in a good mood.
What's your favorite type of movie?
Action movie is my favorite type of movie. Action movie teach us a variety of lessons, including good and evil, justice and injustice, loyalty and betrayal. And it also teaches us about life lessons such as the importance of hard work, perseverance, and action movie can be a fun way to learn English vocabulary and phrase.
Do you enjoy cooking or baking?
I enjoy both cooking and baking. Baking cakes and cookies with my mom, it's a fun activity. And cooking delicious smell food, it's my hobby.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I do. Exploring new place, meeting with different type of peoples, and trying different meat food is always exciting.
What do you want to become in future?
I want to become a cabin crew in future. We all know cabin crew known as flight attendants, and I want to do such type of job where I can find respect and enjoy both. Cabin crew is one of them, and cabin crew means full of responsibility and respects. As a cabin crew, my responsibility will be the safety, comfort and welfare of the passengers.
What inspires you to the most?
My mom inspires me the most. She's nice, she's kind. Her kindness inspires me to do good and positive towards others.
What's a skill you would like to improve?
Public speaking skill I would like to improve. I want to more confidence in front of audience.
Okay. Rivana, she's a very natural and fluent speaker. I really like the way she speaks always.
Thank
So
you.
there's some silly grammar mistakes. It was excellent performance. Give a big hand for Rivana. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.